Hi there, and welcome back. When you're targeting a global audience, one of the biggest friction points in checkout is the currency. If buyers see prices in a currency they're not familiar with, it may create hesitation and even reduce the likelihood of completing a purchase. That's why multi-currency features are among the most used on Checkify, as they allow customers to see prices in their local currency and check out in it, making the experience more natural and trustworthy. Let's start by taking a look at a standard checkout. As you can see, all prices are displayed in a single fixed currency of your account. This works, but it's not ideal if your customers are coming from different countries. First of all, just a reminder, you may change your base currency at any time. This is the main currency in which your product prices, shipping rates, and stats in the admin system are defined and presented. You can change this at any time in the settings section by opening the Business Settings tab and selecting the required currency. And now let's improve the checkout experience by setting up multi-currency. So let's open the Currency section, which is right here. Firstly, you can enable the currency conversion option. This allows Checkify to automatically estimate and display prices in different currencies based on the customer's location. Secondly, you can activate payment acceptance in different currencies. It is important to keep in mind that payment processors, not just Checkify, define currencies. You can also set an additional small fee for multi-currency payments. Simply choose the desired percentage in the settings and save your changes. This allows you to cover conversion costs or adjust pricing for international sales. Once everything is configured, don't forget to save your changes. And now let's go back and see how the checkout has changed. Open any checkout link from the Buy link section. As you can see, the price is now displayed in a different currency depending on the customer's location. You may also notice an additional percentage fee applied. This is the conversion fee we set earlier in the currency settings. These changes make the checkout feel more personalized while also giving you flexibility in how you handle international sales. By enabling multi-currency, you make your checkout more accessible for global customers, reduce friction, and increase your chances of converting worldwide visitors into actual revenue. Feel free to save this video if it helped you set up multi-currency in Checkify, and let us know if you want guides for more features. We'll cover those next. And I remind you, if you are already selling on Shopify, you can unlock this same high-converting functionality while retaining all the benefits of the Shopify ecosystem by installing Checkify Pro on your store.